All right, man. Welcome to Crow 777 Radio. This is a bumper for episode 643. This episode is going to be about a new and very handy way to do an inner clean out, but I want to show you some of my solar work. This background is blown up a little bigger than it should be, but I shot this on the last day of August. This still was taken from that. This is one of the stills I make for folks to print, and look how much activity there was. There was so much activity that when I went into town, folks said that in Rhode Island last night they could see the northern lights, the aurora borealis. It's incredible. The sun is really quite busy right now. Here is a surface shot taken on a day with below average seeing, and again it's blown up a little bit more than is handy, but this was taken a year and a half ago to do the comparison. Here's a shot of the prominences shot on a day where the seeing was not great, but I wanted to include it because I have a blackout shot, and in a second here you'll see I shot the whole surface as well to try to get the activity. The stuff I've been shooting recently blows this footage out of the water, and I am currently making the 18th member solar video. Here's a still image I made for printing. People requested. That's actually a sunspot, believe it or not. I'll zoom out here in a second and you'll be able to see the whole print. I processed it in a way that allows you to kind of see the 3D nature of things. It's incredible. I can't tell you how much I've been enjoying shooting the sun. This was a double looping prominence that I never really published very much because there was camera issues. As you can see, it's kind of wavy and jumpy. But this double looping prominence shows the electromagnetic nature of things. Anyhow, I hope folks will come over to crow777radio.com and join us for all the solar work. Here's the episode image for the clean out episode that we're doing, dealing with heavy metals and other things. Here's one last shot of the double looping prom, and I want to wish you all a happy, healthy, and higher-minded new era, and I hope to see you all logged in as members at Crow 777 Radio. There it is, man. Cheers.